The Pentagon formally announced the new aid for Ukraine's military, which is valued at approximately $2 billion in total. The U.S. government is providing this particular package as part of the Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative, USAI. Instead of using drawdowns, which involve transferring material directly from its own stocks, USAI provides funding for direct purchases to support Ukraine. This new aid package for Ukraine is packed with drones and loitering munitions, among other things. This includes AeroVironment Switchblade 600s and Jump 20s, CyberLux K8s, and Area-I ALTIUS-600s. As per publicly available information, it seems that this is the first instance where the latter three types have been incorporated into aid for the Ukrainian armed forces. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the U.S. is providing a big boost to Ukraine's drone warfare capability. Let's get into the details of each. The Switchblade 600 is a loitering munition, also called a suicide drone, developed and designed by the American company AeroVironment. It's the big brother of the Switchblade 300. The larger Switchblade 600 loitering munition weighs 50 pounds or 23 kilograms, but is man-portable and can be set up in 10 minutes. It's designed to fly out to 40 kilometers or 25 miles in 20 minutes, then loiter for another 20 minutes, giving it an 80-kilometer or 50-mile total range, and attack at a 115 mile per hour or 185 kilometer per hour dash speed, carrying an anti-armor warhead designed to neutralize armored vehicles. A touchscreen tablet-based fire control system can manually or autonomously control the munition, and it's secured through onboard encrypted data links and selective availability anti-spoofing module GPS with a patented wave-off capability. The Switchblade can be fitted with an anti-tank warhead while having a longer range and costing less than anti-tank missiles like the Javelin. The Switchblade 600 enabled the soldier with quick and easy deployment via tube launcher and the capability to fly, track, and engage non-line-of-sight targets and armored vehicles with precision lethal effects without the need for external ISR or fire assets. ALTIUS-600 is part of the ALTIUS family of autonomous tube-launched UAS, or air-launched effects (ALE), that are delivered as all-up rounds (AUR) and available on demand and operational within minutes. The ALTIUS-600 is an autonomous, tactical-level, high-agility (ALE) unmanned aircraft system (UAS). The vehicle can be tube-launched or air-launched and set up for operations over land or sea within minutes of being unpacked. Its overall arrangement is essentially the tube-shaped fuselage, housing power supply, engine, payload, and optic set, with straight monoplane main planes and downward canted tail fins. The engine turns a two-bladed propeller unit at the rear of the fuselage in pusher fashion. The aircraft can be launched via Common Launch Tube (CLT) or Pneumatically Integrated Launch System (PILS), giving it considerable tactical flexibility. The entire unit weighs 27 pounds or 12.25 kilograms. The payload is designed to be modular, allowing the customer to configure the system as needed per mission requirements. This allows the ALTIUS-600 to undertake such critical over-battlefield missions as intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance (ISR), signals intelligence (SIGINT), and anti-drone. ALTIUS-600 is capable of operating in low and medium-altitude environments and has an endurance of over 4 hours and a range out to 275 miles, or 442 kilometers while traveling at speeds of 100 miles per hour, or 160 kilometers per hour. AeroVironment Jump 20 is a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) fixed-wing unmanned aircraft used to provide advanced multi-sensor intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) services. The Jump 20 VTOL UAV features a monocoque airframe constructed using composite materials. It comes with two fixed wings arranged in a high wing configuration and a tailplane in a T-tail configuration. The Jump 20 is perfect for multi-mission operations, offering an endurance of over 14 hours and an operational range of 185 kilometers or 115 miles. It's runway independent. The system can be set up and operational in less than 60 minutes without the need for launch or recovery equipment. Jump 20 houses many different sensors like imaging sensors such as RCAM 45D and long-range EO MWIR. It also possesses onboard tracking, stabilization, and video processing. Jump 20 has a payload capacity of up to 30 pounds or 13.6 kilograms. In addition to the multi-mission payload bay and excellent sensors, the Jump 20 features a common autopilot and ground control system architecture, providing a highly customizable modular platform that can be custom configured to meet operational or customer requirements. There is very limited information regarding CyberLux K8. North Carolina-based CyberLux is a provider of small quadcopter unmanned systems. A business presentation from June 2022 lists U.S. Special Operations Command, Air Mobility Command, and the Army, Air Force, and Marine Corps broadly as customers. While the K8 design is not listed on the company's website, it's thought to feature handheld-sized drones, which can have off-the-shelf cameras installed on them, the kind of equipment which the Ukrainians have made good use of for both surveillance and improvised weapons.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.